let's do an unboxing. I definitely do like it. A new set. This is nice. Another set. Saying my fabric with these are joggers. The colors are so cute. Little nylon bags like this are kind of my weakness. Ten out of 10. You guys know I love blue. Cute. This fabric is very stiff. I don't know why I sized up to a medium, but I did. But I love it. Definitely more of a summer dress, but I like it. Cute. I got this to wear on top of my gym clothes. Great. It's a good casual everyday shirt. Set. I think for summer this would be a really cute set. That was one of my best unboxings. Bye guys.